Hello, this is Winston again, and this time we'll be talking about the refrigeration cycle. So for the refrigeration cycle, it relies on the second law of thermodynamics, where it states that you cannot move heat from a cold body to a hot body without applying work into it. Now, we will talk about the most common everyday object that relies on the process of refrigeration, and that is a refrigerator. So there are four major processes in a refrigerator. The first process in a refrigerator is going through there are four major parts rather to a refrigerating cycle. There's the compressor, condenser, a throttler, and an evaporator. So we'll talk about those one by one. So the first step here, so when we have a cold refrigerant going through the compressor there, that is an isentropic operation. So for that operation, what happens is the cold refrigerant becomes compressed by the compressor and increases temperature after that. After that, the refrigerant moves to the next step in the refrigeration process, which is the condenser. The condenser allows the refrigerant to condense, dissipating heat, and therefore returning the refrigerant to its original state, which is a normal temperature liquid at room temperature. So that condenser is usually located behind the refrigerator. Unfortunately, we can't see it at this view. After that, it goes through with the expansion valve, or what we call the throttler. So through that throttler, when it goes through the throttler, there is a temperature difference that occurs. So Q is during that process, Q equals 0, W equals 0, and whatnot. And after it goes to the throttler there, due to that temperature difference, it becomes very cold. After that, it goes to the evaporator. During that evaporator, it's an isobaric process where the cold is dissipated into the freezer here. That's why it becomes very, very cold. And yes, that's the entire refrigeration cycle. Thank you very much.